Why ants are better investors than humans. What if I told you that your investment decisions might be worse than those of an ant? Sounds strange, right? After all, humans created the stock market, built billion-dollar companies, and developed some of the most complex financial systems in the world. But a tiny ant with a brain smaller than a grain of sand follows certain investment principles that most humans fail to learn in their entire lifetime. And that's why millions of people remain trapped in financial stress, debt, and poor investment decisions. But ants don't. So what is it that ants understand that we don't? The answer might surprise you. Let's begin. Imagine it's summer. Food is available everywhere. The weather is perfect. Life feels easy. Now, what would most humans do in this situation? Probably spend more, enjoy a little, and worry about the future later. But ants don't do that. When resources are most abundant, they work the hardest. They continuously gather food. Why? Because they know good times don't last forever. And that's where the first investment lesson lies. Successful investors prepare during good times. Unsuccessful investors panic during bad times. Think about it. When the economy is strong, people tend to spend more. When the market is rising, people assume it will keep going up. But history tells a different story. Every boom is followed by a downturn. Every expansion is followed by a recession. And those who aren't prepared suffer the most. But this is just the beginning. The second secret of ants is even more powerful. Patience. Today's world runs on instant gratification. We want fast internet, fast delivery, and fast money. Many people treat investing not as a tool for building wealth, but like a lottery ticket. This stock will skyrocket overnight. This crypto will make me rich. This opportunity will change my life. But the reality, most people swing between greed and fear, and that's why they buy at the wrong time and sell at the wrong time. Now look at ants. They don't build mountains in a day. They carry one grain at a time, then another, then another. And thousands of small efforts eventually create a massive reserve. By the way, if ants had social media, they would probably seem very boring. No get-rich-quick videos, not 100x opportunities. Just consistent work. But here's the interesting part. This is also the real secret of wealth creation. Compounding never looks exciting, but its results are extraordinary. And now we come to the lesson that can save most investors from major losses. Risk management. Suppose an ant colony finds a source of food. Do they depend entirely on that one source? No. They continue exploring in multiple directions. They maintain multiple options, because they know no single source is guaranteed forever. What do we call this in modern investing? Diversification. But humans, they often put all their hopes into one investment, one stock, one crypto coin, one secret opportunity. And when it fails, their entire portfolio collapses. Ants don't try to predict the future. They prepare for it. And that's the mark of great investors. They don't try to guess every outcome. They build systems that can withstand uncertainty. So why are ants better investors than humans? Because they follow three principles: preparation, patience, and discipline. And the truth is, success in investing has less to do with intelligence and more to do with behavior. Because in the end, wealth doesn't go to those who make the best predictions about the future. Wealth goes to those who prepare for the future the best. Now the question is, will you start thinking long-term like ants? Or will you keep repeating the same mistakes most people make? The choice is yours. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because here we uncover hidden principles from nature, psychology, and wealth creation that can transform both your thinking and your future. I'll see you in the next video.